First, let's discuss protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, and it has a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbohydrates. This means your body burns more calories digesting protein. By increasing your protein intake, you can boost your metabolism, reduce hunger, and support muscle growth, all of which can help you break through a weight loss plateau. Next, sleep is a critical yet often overlooked factor in weight loss. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger, such as ghrelin and leptin, leading to increased appetite and cravings. Additionally, lack of sleep can decrease your energy levels, making it harder to stick to your exercise routine. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your metabolism running smoothly and to help your body recover from workouts. Finally, incorporating strength training into your exercise regimen is another effective way to overcome a weight loss plateau. Strength training builds muscle, which increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Moreover, strength training helps prevent the loss of muscle mass that can occur with weight loss, ensuring that most of the weight you lose is fat.